guys, this is Riley. Welcome
Zero faces.
to another video. First of all, I'm going to turn the lights on. Okay. My dad just helped me change the chandelier today on my room, so I wonder if it's going to light up or not. My lamp is on, so... Today, I'm not doing any electronic game videos because I don't really have anything to do. And I'm not doing any music videos either because I'm working on a composition. So today, I just decided to do a random video, but today I'm going to do a review. No, not a review, but I'm going to do a video of me chasing this rebellious thing I've ever seen in my life. The robot vacuum cleaner. Why is it rebellious? It's stupid, first of all. Okay, so I can't take my camera to the other side of the hallway right now, but I'm gonna show you what this bad boy does, because I don't like him. I don't want to be too strong here, but I don't like him because he cleans, well, okay, so he cleans well. He cleans the house well. But what I don't like is that he spends too much time in the room. So if he enters a room, he has to get out. And sometimes, I have to wait for him to get out. And it usually takes me, between 10 and 15 minutes. And sometimes even 20 minutes. I know you have to clean rooms in detail, but this time it was urgent because I wanted to film this bad boy. Second of all, okay, so just recently he was refusing to clean my room. He went up to my room to the entrance, but then he turned the other direction. And I'm like, by the way, this is Roomba. I'm like, Roomba, you're cleaning this area whether you like it or not, and sometimes I don't know why I get too abusive with hated stuff, but I had no choice but to force him in. And it's because I don't really like this robot, so I have no choice. Since he was refusing to go into my room, I had no choice but to force him in. So now he's in my room, and I don't think he's even doing very well. I don't care, because the robot is pretty much damaged. Okay, so the robot is pretty much damaged. And what's worse, so one of the bristles are missing because I abused it. It's so damaged because I abused it way too much, which was, I guess, kind of my fault, but like I said, he's stupid. So there was 4 bristles, now it only has 3 because one of the bristles were missing after I abused it with my bicycle. One of the bristles are missing because I abused it with my bicycle. And now the internal thing that's damaged. So usually when it cleans, it doesn't have any delays, but this time it's delayed. When it cleans, it's damaged, but the internal part is pretty much damaged. But I don't think that's even my fault because that happened coincidentally a few months back. And I'm like, Dad, the robot's broken. He's like, no, it's not. But I'm like, Dad, it's not normal. It's delayed. And also the sound doesn't sound too good either. So it's pretty much damaged, but the bristle thing, that's because I abused it so much. So that was kind of my fault. But face it, I was younger. I was 11 back then, and now I'm 14. I mean, I'm trying to be less abusive, but the robot is too annoying. It's so annoying for me. And yes, I am hot. Crap. I wonder if I locked up my window. I think I did. Yeah, just open the window because I'm hot. So I'm going to show you what this boy does, and my camera...
1 of 5 thought. 2% battery power. Charging. Low power mode. Viewfinder. Image. 5 minutes. 5 seconds.
I know, but
2% battery power. Charging. Low power mode. Status bar item.
I'm gonna see what I can do with this. So I'm gonna move my chair out of the way, but not through the doorway. I'm gonna move my chair to the outside hall. Wait, I'm gonna put my chair back. Okay, because the robot's in, because this bad boy's in the way. Okay, so I got the chair out through the hall. Now I'm going to show you what this boy does, because I'm not even impressed with me. And he can't clean under my bed, because my bed is so tucked into the floor. And mine's a double bed, and it's so high. You can get easily hurt falling off. So I'll show you what I mean by delayed in a second. So, if you push start, so that's one time, you have to push it again, and then there will be a delay. Go. I'm sorry if you can't see it. My camera will try to follow as best as it can, but... Oh, shoot.
1 of 5. 2% battery power. Charging. Low power mode.
This
Status
is
bar
not
item.
charging at all? What? I'll try to do it from hallway to hallway. My battery may be running out, but... I've had so much bad times with this guy.
Bluetooth connected. 2% battery power. 2. Viewfinder. Image. Viewfinder. 7 minutes. 29 seconds.
Hey, get out of my dresser.
One phase. 0 phases. 7 minutes. 48 seconds.
Get out of my dresser. Get out of my dresser. Okay, now he's disappeared over there. Where is he now? Okay, he's... Oh, okay, so he came this way. Fine, go. And I'm also gonna close this dresser too. I have 2, but I'm gonna close the entire dresser so he can't get in. Cause I went to check on him, and he actually went into my parents' dresser. Sorry if I keep putting my hand to the camera. Oh yeah, those cords. He actually did refuse to clean under my desk. But my desk has a whole bunch of cords. I'm gonna try and push all of them in. But there's like a whole bunch of cords, he can't actually clean them. That was, like, fierce.
Take pic. 9 minutes. 41 seconds.
Oh, it's getting close to 10 minutes. He's near the shelf. Actually, he's under my desk.
One phase. 0. 10 minutes. 3 seconds.
Okay, Roomba, you're not on the He literally stepped on the cable. Practically. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video right here because it's getting 10 minutes and I can't really film for a long time anymore because of my phone's storage. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll turn off the robot before I do the outro. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Large face. Face near bottom. 0 faces.
Sorry for
10
being
minutes.
so
58 seconds.
Sorry for being so harsh in the video, but I didn't really mean to. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you
One
in
face. Large face. Face near bottom left edge.
Thanks for watching my video, and
0 faces. 11 minutes. 10 seconds.
thanks for watching this video, and peace out.
5,